wild little kitten. Look at this. She's been so hyper. Yes, Jomoka is hyper and curious. Curious and hyper at the same time. Yes, she's got a little bit to play. I think she has a little bit of, well, at least money. Oh, bless you! You sneeze! You sneeze! Hopefully she's gonna get tired out soon. Don't play with the Q-tip. Don't play with the Q-tip, my little kid. Oh, okay, here we go. She loves that chick. At least she has something to play with. Or, me. I don't know what she is at the moment, because she's just small. Small! So tiny. She loves that chick. Yeah, she loves it. Oh, so small. Very small.